Hello everyone, I am Ujjwal. Today in this video I will talk about the Mi 10 smartphone, and yeah, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Now let's get started. Xiaomi has launched the Mi 10 5G smartphone equipped with 108 megapixel camera in India. The phone has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, which comes with a 90Hz refresh rate. A punch hole has been given in the front of the phone. It has 8 GB RAM with an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. It comes with two internal storage variants, 128 GB and 256 GB. 4 camera has been given on the rear panel of the phone. The primary camera is a 108 megapixel. It has 13 megapixel wide angle and two 2 megapixel cameras. The front of the phone has a 20 megapixel camera. It has a battery of 4780 mAh capacity, which come with 30-watt fast charging support. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to share with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that is me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.